start the gem from Evoque. First impression, Evoque just dropped this off. I love them for that. That means a lot to us, that they will say, hey, we got a new bikes. What do you think? First of all, it's cute as hell. I love the color. So this is going to give the Emo Hy-Vee a run for its money, and also the Zoomy as well. But I'm a sucker for retro, and look at that. I do not see pegs for a passenger, but I'm going to sit on it. Yep, I'm 5'3". This is, oh, they're coming with the cell phone holder on this one too. I love that. And this P also works as a cruise control. Ooh, what's this M? I don't know what that is yet, but if you're looking for a really cute, stylish e-bike, I think this one takes the cake. Takes the cake. I like the kickstand too. This is small, but how cute is that? The color is amazing. I don't know where Evoque's getting their stuff from, but they clearly have different suppliers than anybody else has access to, because this is retro and modern all at the same time. That is cute as a button, man. So cute. Like that little detail there, that's really nice. And the rear light, that's so unique. That's a really cute, unique rear tail light. Looks like the front lights are gonna be pretty bright too. What a cool color. What color is this? Mushroom? Shades of mushroom? I'll take it. Man, this will look good in somebody's house. That's how nice it is, right? Nice big screen. Yeah. We love you, Evoque.